Second letter that we are going to do the format of the formal letter. Now the formal letters are the letters that we write to any person in authority, okay? The editor, principal, municipal commissioner, anybody. So anyone who holds some authority, we generally write in this particular format, okay? The formal letter. Now again, sender's address, again like in the informal one, you have to write it in the 3-line, house number, sector and your city, okay. Now when you are writing, this is just for your information. You are not supposed to write sender's address, date, address of the addressee. You are not supposed to write all this. You will simply, in place of sender's address, you will write the address, okay. So after the address, you will be leaving a line and then you will put the date, and I have told you the format for the date, and you will be only writing 28th April 2020. So there is no other format in which you can write the date. So like this, so whatever will be the date when you have to write, you can write it in this particular format. Again, after the date, you will be leaving a line here, and then address of the addressee. Address of the addressee means to whom you are writing your letter. Again, it comes in 3 lines. Example I have given you. Suppose we are writing it to the editor. So we'll be writing the editor, the Tribune and Chandigarh, the name of the place. And after writing the address of the addressee, again leave a line and give a salutation. Now, in the informal one, you had given the salutation dear, but in the formal one, you will be giving the salutation respected, or respected sir or ma'am, whatever, okay. So this is going to be your salutation, respected sir or ma'am. After salutation, again you leave a line and you write the subject. Now what is the subject? Subject is that why are you writing this letter to this particular person? So you have to write your problem, the content of your letter, in 1 line. So subject has to be of 1 line only, and after writing you have to underline this. Suppose we are writing this letter to the editor regarding the traffic problem in our city. So you will simply write regarding the traffic issue, okay. So this is your subject and you have to underline it, right? After subject, from the very next line, without leaving any line, you will start your body of the letter, and here you will only restrict yourself to write only 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph would come the introduction, second one would discuss your content in detail, and the third one will be of conclusion. So in the first one, that I am so and so writing this letter to you, discuss about this and this, and then you will write the entire content, that this is what is happening, and then in the conclusion you will be giving this probable solutions, okay, that this can be done. Now after this, again you have to remember that when you are writing these 3 paragraphs, you have to leave a line after each paragraph, and finally you will write a closing line. Suppose you want the editor to just look into it, or so you will simply write kindly do the needful, okay, or kindly print this article in your esteemed newspaper to aware the general public, or anything could be your closing line to draw attention of the authorities towards it. And then after the closing line, you will be writing the subscription, and here in the subscription you will write yours sincerely, okay. And if you're writing it to the principal, you can write yours faithfully. Otherwise, yours sincerely is more than sufficient. Then yours sincerely, and then under that you will be signing. You have to give your signatures, and under your signatures you have to write your name in block letters in brackets. So in brackets you will be writing your full name in block letters, and after that, under that you will be writing your designation if you have any. Suppose you are the society secretary or something, so you will write the secretary of society, okay. Or If there is no designation, you can simply write a concerned citizen or resident. So where we write citizen or resident, suppose it is a nationwide problem that you are discussing, then you can write a concerned citizen. And suppose the problem restrict to your own colony or your own city, so you will be writing a concerned resident. Fine. So this is our format for the formal letter. I hope you all understood both the letters. In case of any difficulty, kindly contact. Thank you.